Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete a Facebook page. So you have a Facebook page for your business, or you have a Facebook page where you create a lot of posts, you create a lot of media in there. You've been using that page for a very long time, you have created a lot of posts in that page, but now for some reason you don't need that page, or you want to delete that page for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. It's a very simple process. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete a Facebook page in very easy way. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete your Facebook page is open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open a Facebook application, make sure you're logged into the account that you created the page with. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you're logged into that account, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. From the three bars on the top right corner, what you want to do is go into pages. Once you go into the pages, what you want to do is select the page that you want to delete. Once you open that page, you land at an interface like this. From here, in order to delete the page, what you want to do is tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Once you go into your settings, you want to go into general settings. Once you go into general settings, you land at an interface like this. From here, to delete your Facebook page, what you want to do is scroll down. Then you'll see a section labeled as remove page. In the remove page section, you'll see an option labeled as permanently delete, and there will be your page's name. So tap on that option in order to delete the page. Once you tap on that option, you'll land at an interface like this. Here you'll be asked to confirm whether you want to really delete your page. So to delete the page, what you want to do is tap on delete page option. Once you tap on the delete page option, your page will be successfully deleted. But there will be a 14 days waiting period for your page to be permanently deleted. If you want to retrieve the page within the 14 days, you can successfully do it by logging into this account and going into the page. Once you go into the page, do the same process, but this time when you go into the remove page section, you'll see an option labeled as cancel deletion request. If you do that, you'll successfully save your page from being deleted. So that was the simple step in order to delete a Facebook page from your Facebook account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.